Hello guys, today we are going to improve the way to visualize our topics because there is where you go to vote, to ask for content, then let's do it. Okay, let me go to mobile, then you see here the list of topics and then you can expand. Let's see how it looks today. Then we have this topic here, and in the last video I believe we extract this part, right? Yeah, we extract this part and then we need to improve what you have inside here. Okay, let's start. What is this count first? Let's see. We have the accordion, and in this title of the accordion is upvote. Let me upvote something here. Now I need to sign up. Let me sign up. I think I already have a user. Okay, let's go here again. Then let's vote. Yeah, we have the vote and we also have the name. Okay, I think the name, we need to have it, but you don't need to have the vote. And maybe you don't need to have the topics as well. Let's think a little bit about it. I'm trying to think like as a student that I'm trying to learn what I would do here. Like I'm clicking on mobile and then what I'm looking for. Like I want to learn about native. I want to learn about hybrid applications. What should be available here? I think we could have like this content information here, like we have here. Then we could be like this content. Then you can hide content. If it's just one content, if it's more contents. Yeah, if it's one content, maybe should have also no content yet. Then let's track this. I don't want to have this conditions here. Then I can extract content text. Okay, if you don't have content yet, then it's going to be no content. No content. If you have it, we don't need this space here. Okay, otherwise, I'm going to see if I have one. Yep. And that's it. Yeah, 0, I don't want to display 0. Maybe I can also add this to the message. Then no content. Then here I can use template string. And here as well, template string. Let's see. Yeah, no content yet. Okay, then you can vote. Let's see this vote button. Okay. Upvote. What is this button? Icon button. How should I use icon button? Material UI icon button. I want to see the demo. Okay, maybe the text should be after. Let's see how they are using here. Oh, what is the icon? They're using end icon in a regular button. Start icon. Instead of icon button, they're using a regular button and like this, right? Let me get the delete icon and also change this to a regular button. Then you don't need this. Oh, why I get the deleted icon? Sorry, guys. It's not the delete icon that I want. I want this icon. Okay, but the style, maybe I should use content. Yeah, and what is this? Okay, how many votes I already have? Okay, then I can have a typography here. We also could have a description. Top.description. I don't think I have a description for this case, but I want to provide descriptions later. Topic.description. Okay. Maybe I should add a description in this item. Let's go to our topic here. Its name, app updates. And I will add a description. Add a field, description, string. Let me get some text here. It's just a placeholder that I want to see how it looks here. Okay, app updates. Oh, we have a description elsewhere. Okay, let me just move this here so you can understand what this is about. Then we also have this style here. Then you can upvote. We can also have the same idea for votes, right? Then you can have this upvotes. I don't know why WebStorm just left there. Upvote text. No votes yet. Upvotes. One. Upvote. Two. Upvotes. Upvotes text. Instead of this. Okay, and I think I should change the icon if it's not upvote, right? Then if it's upvote, otherwise it's going to be, I don't know where this is coming from, exposure. Maybe I have a exposure minus. I'm just guessing. Let's see if this is going to work. Exposure minus 1. No, there is no exposure minus 1. My dog. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let me get the icons list here. Exposure. I don't know where this exposure, why this name's exposure. Oh, negative. Okay. Exposure negative 1. Negative 1, negative 1. I don't want this. Yeah, why it's not changing? Upvote text. Yeah, this is changing. Maybe I'm not refetching the topic, but I'm just refetching the. Oh, I'm refetching the data. Oh, maybe this is wrong. Why it's not finding exposure? Oh, it's -1. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, then you can also downvote. It's not a downvote, it's a undo, right? Then I can have this as well. Upvote, undo. Let's see. Oh, it's the opposite. Is upvoted. Okay. Okay, it's working. You can vote. You have a description. Okay, maybe we should remove this vote here. Do you want to have more content about this? About topic name, vote below. Okay, let's put typography here as well. Typography here, typography here. Variant, let's have a style here, caption maybe. Here it could be I think this one is small, not that small. We can also check this typography here. Oh, it's always going back to Portuguese. I don't know why, because my computer is not in Portuguese. But anyway, you can have typography here. And then you can see all the possible options, maybe subtitle too. It's not good. I'm not happy yet. Maybe it's missing some spacing. I'm not sure, but I'm not happy. Let's put here class name top dot content. Oh, sorry, classes dot content. Do I have classes here? Yeah, I have here the content. We have like divs inside. Then it should be display flex direction column as always. And then we could apply some like spacing after all the divs that I have. Maybe a margin top team spacing 1. No? Did I? not this one. Where is my content? My content class is not here. Where is my content class? Classes. Oh, it's here. Okay. Do I have a margin? No, I don't have a margin here. Where is my margin? Let me return here. I think this is correct. Every div inside content. Let's see my style. Display block, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, why this is not applying? Oh, because they are not divs. I think I can do this. Yeah, now I have some spacing between, and as by default flex is growing, this is growing all the way. I don't think this is good. We could also maybe centralize this. Align items center. Yeah, a little bit better. One up vote already. No votes yet. One vote already. No votes yet. Do you want more content about this? Why this is not in the center? Or maybe the description is applying the flex growth here, and here we don't have a description. I think it's not growing all the way because of this element here. Then let's put some style here as well. Classes wrapper. Wrapper is the name when you have like something around, but you don't know what is this. Then you just call wrapper. Yeah, now let me see which one. This one is not growing. Flex grow 1. Yep. Okay. Now it's all in the center. And now the content. We have the content here. I don't remember how we did this. Let's see. The same idea, accordion. I don't think we need accordion here. I think we need to have a more simple style. Let me just put a div here. I don't want to expand. I don't want all this. I don't want all this. Yeah, maybe a div I want here, but I can add later. Okay. Okay. Then we have this, and we can remove it. Let's see how it looks. Okay, now we have the content. We just want some maybe separator here in the top. I think there is a divider from Material UI somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, there is a divider, and maybe you can have a divider with a little bit of spacing. Classes, divider, margin, team space 1. Yep. Then this, I would like to have a strong color there. Not color, but like a heading. I think heading will be too much, but let's try H4. Variant H4. I don't know what is this heading class. I think I just copy from an example, right? Because I don't remember about this. Don't think we need this. Let's just put H3, too much. H4, too much. H5, too much. What will be the proper? H6, I think will be too much yet. Yeah. Maybe I should have a custom style for this. Overline, it's going to be uppercase. Yeah, looks good. Let's see if I improve this to be more reader friendly, because it's a little bit big. Subtypes, but body 2. I think body 2 is the best for this case. Yeah, I think it looks a little bit better. These links from material. Okay, this is a link from material. Maybe I can change this to a button. Maybe. Okay. Or I can have a button like this. Then I can customize better. Nope. Okay, but I can have my custom button. Link button. And I can implement it. Because I need to have more info here, I believe. Because like variant contained. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Kind of. But I lost this, but it's okay. I can add here. And icon. I'm using start icon, right? Start icon. GitHub. Yep. And then I can have the text GitHub. Okay, this looks good. Like the content has a link, there is a GitHub link. Yeah, I just feel that we need to have a little bit of spacing also here. I'm always trying to create class names, but it's kind of boring to have class names for everything. You could use like inline style as well. It's probably fine. Margin top. Okay, then I have, let's try to review this. I go to mobile, and I should have the mobile here as well. And then I have the reloader patch, like we have content here. The idea with content, I don't know if that was clear before, but the idea with content was to have like a GitHub repository, and also like a video, and also like a link to a blog. And it's not just video content. Of course, the video will be like the plus, but it's not only that. Maybe you should have a way for people to provide feedback. I will take a note here, because maybe instead of just voting, you could say, oh, I would like to vote, but I want to vote for this kind of video. And I think this button is wrong, right? Undo is doing. I think the condition is flipped here. Let me try to fix. I think that's the problem. Let's see. Yeah, undo. Let me refresh. Oh, undo is not doing anything. I have one upvote. Why this is not working? I just flip it. Is upvoted. Oh, maybe this was not wrong. I'm not thinking, I'm just replacing code. Let me try to think a little bit. Let's see. We have one upvote. Undo. Okay. Now I can, it's just the icon that's wrong. That was the issue. Yeah, because if it's upvote, I want to have the minus. Otherwise, I want to have the plus. Okay, now it's working. Okay. Maybe I should say undo your vote. Yeah, the button is large, but I just want to, like in this version, I'm going to create like some bad UI, but my focus is not in the UI. I want to really receive the feedback, and then you can improve this like every week. That's not a problem. But I need people to understand, okay, I can click here, and maybe I will create a submit feedback here. Then, okay, I want this, but I don't want another link to a repo. I want a video explaining why this is important, you know? Then that's the idea. I think this page is already better. I'm going to also take a note to have a context that define the header there. Header for context for header. Context for app bar title. Yeah. Then we can finish this. Like I'm anxious to finish this, and it's take longer than I was expecting because recording all the steps that I do, it's not easy, but we are doing it. Like I think now it's already acceptable. You can understand, you can read the description, and you can. Oh, did you break it? Did we break it? Let's just fix it because it's broken. Oh, and here it's not going to be GitHub all the time. We're going to have a type, and then based on the type, we're going to define the links. Links based on the type. But why this is not working? Like this link, when I render as a button, I think it's not behaving as we were expecting. Or the link is empty. Let's see. Oh, this is really a button. Yeah, then this is not going to work. But if this is really a button, let's render the button. It will be better. We can just render the button like this. And then that's a button. And we can do whatever you want here. Like after in the title, we are going to have different options here. Window, open. I think I just provide the URL here. Content link. And here I think I have like a target blank. Oh, it's not Windows, it's window. Window open. Oh, I don't need targets, just blank. Oh, I don't have the content. Oh, I don't have the content. Now I do. Content button, because now it's not a link anymore. Yep, it's working. I think that's it for now. That's it for this video. We have the votes here. Maybe should highlight the most upvoted topics somewhere, but that's it. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.